Hi, we are GoE and this is the brand new bike motor on wheel. The GoE on wheel bike motor is easy to use, lightweight, powerful and makes an e-bike out of your favorite bike in less than 5 seconds. Using the on-wheel bike motor is unbelievably easy. Snap the battery into the holder, plug in the motor, switch on the power and you're ready to go. That's it. The GoE on-wheel bike motor can provide you additional power in any situation. It does not matter if you are cycling in a flat area or going to climb up a hill. The GoE on-wheel motor always gives you enough power to do that easily. The motor comes up automatically once you start pedaling. When you stop, it falls down and does not touch your wheel. You can use the motor with nearly every bike. It is suitable for everything you would do with a normal bike and can be used under all conditions. With the GoE bike app you can easily control your e-bike and use cycling maps for navigation. You can set the speed and power limits in accordance to the local law. When you're back from your trip, just pull the motor from your bike. If it got dirty, don't worry, the motor is water resistant and you can clean it easily with your garden hose.
Hi,
I'm Frank.
I'm Peter.
We work with passion on our idea of an inexpensive and easy-to-use bike motor. We invented different designs and built in some brilliant ideas to get the best product we can imagine. We have a production partner just waiting for the start signal and we are highly motivated.
To make the one-wheel bicycle park possible,
we need your help. Thank you for watching.
Hey everyone, this is the Mav Mount, and it'll let you use your DJI Mavic Pro, Mavic Air, or Spark drone controller with a full-size professional-level iPad or other tablet, including the DJI Crystal Sky monitor. DJI made these small folding controllers, but they only fit a small cell phone, and when you use them, the controller creates phantom clicks, and the small screen is awful for video and photography. But the Mav Mount easily mounts right in and allows you to use your cell or any device. And the unique Mavlock tab mates the controller perfectly, minimizing any wobble, so in seconds you've got a professional-style controller layout mirroring the cinema-level Inspire 2. The Mav Mount's made by a drone pilot in Hollywood for pro use. It's CNC milled 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum and can even handle the weight of a full-size pro sun hood. The Mav Mount's interchangeable clamps let you use any device from a cell phone up to a huge iPad Pro 12.9. Just unscrew the clamp and upgrade the Mav Mount as you upgrade your devices. Also, use the Mav Mount as a tablet or monitor stand, a camera table tripod, or even a light panel stand. Get the tools the pros use and take your piloting, videos, and photography to the next level.
Hi, I'm Cor Llewellyn. I have a digital agency called Transmission Media here in Austin, Texas. I listen to a lot of music, and the device I listen to it through has to be high quality. What I like is you can listen to it and the audio sounds great soft, and if you want to turn it up and really hear it loud, it sounds excellent. There's no distortion, and at a low level I don't feel like I'm missing high ends, like I normally do if I'm listening to it on a speaker. It's super comfortable on the back of your neck. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a piece of plastic, so it's almost like a part of your clothing, so to speak. It's really light and it's comfortable, and every time I have it on, I forget that it's on. I do a lot of editing of podcasts. I have to listen to a lot of music. So the interesting thing that happened when I started using Soundware was that I'm able to listen, I'm able to stay focused in it, and I'm able to get other things done while being aware of my surroundings. There are these 3 buttons on the side, so it's like a volume, and in the middle there's a button that switches over to the phone. So when it rings, just hit the button, have my conversation, get that over with, hit the button, I'm back in my edit. It's seamless. And the phone call sounds great. They have no idea that I'm on the device at all. I like that it's isolated and the sound is going right into my ears. So I could be 5-10 feet away from a person and they're not even turning their heads. And in my day, I have so much I have to do between, 6 a.m. and 3:30 when the kids get out of school, that it's just about getting that time back, getting to be with my family. And really, I like having something that works with my schedule. I had no idea I was going to experience it the way I experienced it. I thought it was just going to be great audio, but the quality of life piece caught me by surprise.
Midland E-Ready Emergency Solutions offer emergency crank radios, emergency portable weather alert radios, and emergency two-way radios. Midland's emergency crank radios, the ER210 and ER310, come with rechargeable lithium-ion battery packs, renewable power, and a Cree LED flashlight with SOS and strobe. These emergency crank radios have digital AM, FM, and weather band radio along with NOAA weather alerts. They can also be used to charge any smartphone or tablet via a USB connection. The ER210 has a 2000 milliamp lithium-ion battery that can last for up to 25 hours of continuous use, and the ER310 has a 2600 milliamp lithium-ion battery that can last for up to 32 hours of continuous use. In addition, the ER310 has an ultrasonic dog whistle, which can assist search and rescue teams in locating individuals in an emergency situation, and can use 6 AA batteries for backup power. Both the ER210 and ER310 crank radios are ideal in any emergency situation or even weekend use.